This 15-year-old $300 DSLR camera can take photos that are just as good as my $3,600 mirrorless Canon R5C. Let me show you what I mean. I find that a lot of folks that are trying to get into photography get discouraged right off the bat because they look at everybody on social media and they think, I don't have a good enough camera. So they give up before they even get started. People are placing too much importance on how good their camera is and not spending enough time concentrating on some of the things that make the most difference when it comes to getting good photos. This is the Canon 5D Mark II. Right now you can find it online for $300 or less. It's a full-frame 21 megapixel camera that was revolutionary when it first hit the scene a little over 15 years ago in late 2008. I bought this camera in 2019 and used it professionally for years before I upgraded first to the 5D Mark IV and then most recently with the Canon R5C. In my opinion, two of the most important factors in producing good photos are lighting and editing. So I set up my studio in the basement and used identical lighting footprints and lenses to take the same simple product photo with both cameras and compare the results. Can you tell the difference? And I bet your clients won't be able to tell the difference either, especially those clients you're going to be getting when you're first starting out. You're way better off investing time and money early on in a good understanding of both studio and natural lighting, as well as solid editing skills. And from there, you'll have more than enough of a good foundation to build upon. When it comes down to it, your camera is just another tool, and you don't always need the fanciest one to get the job done. I still love this 5D Mark II, and that's why